Hey guys, welcome to Buy Best Price, and I have come with another video, and I will be showing you today this 260-liter model, which is in 3-star, and it is a convertible model. So you can see the quality of this product, and it has a shiny, glossy look. So LG is providing a handle in this model, and here you will get a lock system. So let's talk about the feature and pricing and warranty and all those things. First, let's talk about the warranty. So in this model, you will get a complete warranty of 1 year. And if I'll be talking about the compressor warranty, so you can see here inverter linear compressor, and it has a 10-year warranty on this. As we go down here, so you can see the three, as it is a 3-star. So you will get this model in 3-star, and it has a 2 and 3 other colors, but I'll be talking about today only this blue color. But I will provide the buying link in the description box, another models too. So it will be take 190 units per year, and as you can see here, it is a auto smart connect model. So you don't need to put stabilizer because it works without stabilizer. And here you can see the inverter linear model, so it is not going to take much electricity consumption in the year. It will look very beautiful in your kitchen, so you can easily choose these products. So let's go to the enter this fridge and know about the quality of internal parts. So I can show you here. This is the door of the fridge, and here are some shelves installed in this area. With if I'm talking about the plastic quality of this product, so it has a good plastic quality, and it has a 4 shelves in the doors, but the last one is a little small. You can put there only little things, but if I'll be talking about this space, so you can easily hold here 4 to 3 bottles in this. As soon as we go to enter, you will see very beginning there is a door cooling option, so by which you can cool your door, your fridge door very fast. See, it is very front of the location. So let's talk about the freezing zone. Here are some buttons, freezer convertible and fridge super chill button. You just hold around 3 seconds, and after that you can convert your freezer to fridge. I'll be showing you fridge, and here is a cooling area, and here is some feature manual by which you can setting your fridge. If I talk about the self quality, so toughened glass, LG is providing toughened glass in this, and here is a vegetable box. You can see vegetable and fruits. You can easily put those things in the vegetable box. So let's go to enter the freezer zone. As you can see here, it is a convertible model, so you can convert this area freezer to fridge, and you can put here, it is like a shelf, and here is a ice making tray, and when ice will be complete, then you can take from here. And here is a manual and key also, as it is a lock system, and here is a egg tray. And one thing also I wanted to tell you, that here is a smart diagnosis system by which you can diagnose your fridge, and LG is going to know what is the problem in exactly what part. So you will have to choose this product, and go to the description box where you will find the buying link. If you're watching this video on YouTube, so please subscribe the channel, and if you are watching this on Facebook page, so you can like our page. And one thing also, we have another website also, so you can go to there and check, and the website name is www.buybestprice.in. Thank you.